welcome back to my channel. Simone here. Hello if you are new to my channel. If you are coming back, thank you so much. So today I am here to talk about my favorite new freaking hair product, and that is this. This is the Design Essentials Natural Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. I love this stuff. This right here is the secret to second day hair. This is my second day hair. It's big, it's floofy, it's still pretty defined. This stuff is amazing. So I want to talk about exactly how I use this, and I'll go through a demo on how I usually achieve this second day hair with this mousse, and kind of what I think about it so far. Obviously I'm raving about it, so I love it, and I definitely think you should buy it. It says it works on all curl types. My hair is 3B, 3C in some places, and then like 3A some places up here, so it's kind of like combination curly. But this right here is amazing. So the thing I like about it is it's really not super alcohol-y. I don't think it actually doesn't have any alcohol in it. Ooh. Phenoxyethanol. I don't know. I don't think it has alcohol in it. And I really love it. It has sweet almond oil and vitamin B in it. And I got this from Amazon for Christmas, and I really love it. So I usually mostly use it on dry hair, and I am just totally feeling it. You can even use it on your edges. Like I used a little bit on my edges today. I try to do my edges as usual. It's a struggle. But so this one says that you can use it on wet hair, dry hair. I've used it on wet hair and I didn't like it as much. I didn't feel like it tamed my frizz a lot, but I just love the effect on dry hair. I usually will have some frizzy pieces, and then I'll go through. I can even do it right now. So find a little frizzy piece, take a little bit of this. Here's a frizzy piece in the front, and then I just kind of work it through. And initially it kind of looks like the hair is wet, but it actually really gives you these nice like corkscrew curls that you see right here. So it really helps if you have like damaged hair, heat damaged hair, or you're transitioning. I would definitely recommend this because it really helps your ends just kind of curl back up and suck in that moisture. What I like the most about this is it's super easy to use, and I feel like I've never been like, oh, it doesn't look good. And it's really amazing for putting your hair in a bun if you're tired of using gels or edge control. I was like ODing on the edge control and the gel, and I was like, I need something else. Another thing about this product that's amazing too is that it says it has wheat protein. I typically see that anything with some sort of like silk protein or wheat protein, that always works very well in my hair because my hair is dry and it kind of sucks up all of everything that comes in. So if you have either high porosity hair, I have low porosity but very dry, low porosity hair, I would suggest getting this because it's super great for penetrating and just like making sure your hair is super moisturized. I find that I can do like a pretty good run of this, and then it'll last for a few days with just some touch-ups. I also noticed that it's really amazing for putting your hair up. Like I just put like almost a whole palmful in my hair and just go like this and put it all the way up. And it really it really smooths up there without giving you that kind of helmet head feel. So yeah, if you guys need a new product, go out and get this. I'll link it below in the description. I bought mine off Amazon, but I believe I've seen it at Sally's, at Target. So maybe not Target, but yeah, you guys should go get it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in a different video. Alright, bye-bye.